Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson we learned how to conjugate and use the verb lieben in the present tense. Lieben is a regular verb, so here are the conjugations that we learned. We learned how to say ich liebe, I love, du liebst, you love, liebt, he loves, sie liebt, she loves, sie lieben, you love, wir lieben, we love, ihr liebt, you love, Sie lieben, you love, and sie lieben, they love. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to ask simple yes or no questions with the verb lieben. It's very simple. Remember, all you have to do is reverse the word order. So verb form first and then subject pronoun. So ich liebe, I love would become liebe ich, do I love? Du liebst, you love would become liebst du, do you love? Liebt, he loves. How would you say, does he love? That would be liebt does he love? Sie liebt, she loves. Does she love? Liebt sie, Sie lieben, you love. The question would be lieben sie, do you love? Now remember, we normally don't use lieben by itself. We use it with a direct object pronoun or an accusative pronoun to say that we love someone. So we have a couple of examples here from our last lesson. We have mich, me, and dich, you. So let's go ahead and combine these elements to make some questions. So how do you suppose you would ask the question, do you love me? All you have to do is just put these together, the liebst du and the mich, and you have the question, liebst du mich? Do you love me? Liebst du mich? Our next question would be, liebt mich? Does he love me? Liebt mich? Does he love you? What do you suppose the question would be? Liebt dich? You got it. Liebt dich? Does he love you? Now let's move on to liebt sie mich. If I want to ask the question, does she love me? It would be liebt sie mich? Liebt sie mich? Does she love me? And then finally, does she love you? Liebt sie dich? Liebt sie dich? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very, very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.